Hello, this is a Piper PSA for parents. Here are your parental rights within special education. In 2004, IDEA started including parental rights. This was due to two main reasons. Bonds of affection lead to parents acting in the best interest of the child, and it is the right of the parent to direct the upbringing, care, and education of their child. This requires the parent to be a crucial part of the special education team. Here's what you can expect from these changes. The notice of meeting will be given to you for each IEP meeting, prior written notice, electronic consent through email, and reevaluations for your child. What our schools do to help your child within special education? We assure our programs and services meet state and federal requirements. We make sure your child is in the least restrictive environment, administering the system of due process for your child, and teaching, caring, and advocating for your child's success each and every day while they're at Piper USD 203. Examples of what requires parental consent: initial evaluations and a reevaluation, substantial change of placement, and adding or deleting a service. That said, we will never try to change anything in the IEP without your consent and notification. How you can help. Studies show that family engagement is the most impactful factor to student success. Here are some ways that you can help lead your child to success within their education. You have a responsibility to send your child to school well rested, ensure the child attends school regularly and on time, read notices from the school, adhere to all school policies and procedures, respond in a timely manner towards communication sent home, and seek understanding when incidents occur. That said, you always have a right to request an evaluation or reevaluation for your child, advocate for services and accommodations or modifications that might benefit them that we have not thought of, ask questions to the teachers and or administration regarding the services of their child, revoke services at any time, and bring an outside advocate or person to the IEP meetings. Thank you, and go forth and be part of the process to lead your child to success. Thank you.